Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. We are doing a full Vuori summer try on haul. I actually was perusing the site for my summer lookbook that just came out. I was gonna include some of these pieces in that video, but I ended up placing a pretty big order, so I thought we should just do a dedicated Vuori try on haul. If you're interested in anything that I show you guys, I'll have everything linked down below in the description box along with the sizes that I got in each piece. If you are new here, I am 5'2" just for reference, but let's go ahead and jump on in. First up are a pair of shorts, and these are so soft, you guys. I am obsessed with Vuori's fabrics. They are so buttery soft, really lightweight, and these shorts are just like the softest shorts ever. These are high-waisted. I ended up getting them in the kale color, which I think is like the perfect shade of green. It's this really nice, deep, muted green. It does look a little bit almost like gray on camera, but in person, it's so stunning. My favorite thing about these shorts, though, are the pockets. I think this is such a unique pocket design. These are definitely not like an activewear short. Definitely wouldn't go running in these. They're not for working out, but I love Vuori's fabrics and I feel like they make really good athleisure pieces. So I was planning on wearing these on like my morning walks, going to get coffee, grocery shopping, you name it, something really comfortable and great for just kind of every day. I also think they're the perfect length short, so a really great kind of everyday casual option. Next up is this tank, and I think the silhouette of this one is so pretty. It has this really great ribbed texture to it, and it's like the perfect tan. The only reason that I kept the tags on this top is because I'm probably gonna return it just because I can't wear a normal bra with it, which I know isn't a deal breaker for everybody, but for me personally, I have so many great tanks that I can just throw on with whatever bra I like to wear. And this one I needed to wear sticky boobs with. I think it looks great, honestly, and I do think I could wear it over a sports bra. However, it's probably more intended to be worn as like a cute tank with jeans or things like that. So I'm probably gonna end up returning this one. I do think it is so cute though. I had a moment of hesitation being like, should I keep it? I could wear it with sticky boobs and be fine, but I have so many tanks that I just love already that I can throw on. Next up is a tennis skirt, and I am a sucker for a good tennis skirt. I think they're so cute. I love wearing them on walks. I've even run in my tennis skirts before, but this one really caught my eye because it's a very minimal design. What I really liked about it though is the tie in the front. So this panel that goes around your waist is actually super stretchy, and it's not compressing, which makes it actually really comfortable. What keeps it tighter though is the tie. So you can tie it as tight as you want, which I really love that. I think the design of it is gorgeous. It's a simple black skirt. It does come in other colors, but I went with the black because I thought that was like classic. I also love the length of it. It has shorts built into it. So the right side of the shorts has a pocket that's large enough for a big iPhone, and then the other side has the pocket for the actual like tennis balls. So you can definitely play tennis in this. It is an activewear piece. You could also just wear it to go on walks and be cute. You could pretty much dress it up too. Wear it with a tank, throw a linen button up over it with a cute sandal. So really versatile piece and so comfortable. Next up is this romper, and I am obsessed with this piece, you guys. It is so lightweight. This is the perfect mom outfit. It is truly so comfortable, so breezy, and it really doesn't cling anywhere except for where it gathers around the waist, which gives you a little bit of shape. So I think that's necessary, but it is like the best fabric. It seriously feels like an activewear piece, but it looks way cuter. It also has these fun cargo pockets on the side, which I love, and it's a really good length. One thing I want to note about this is that you will probably want to wear it with some kind of sports bra underneath it. The only reason is because it does have a pretty deep scoop, and so if you are like bending down to get your kids, or if you have like a little bit of a shorter torso, it is gonna have a little bit more fabric in the top. I think it still looks really cute, but just for functionality, you might want to put a little cute sports bra underneath it. Next up are these tailored shorts in black. These are essentially activewear material short, but in a tailored short style. So you basically get the look of a really nice short that you can even put a belt on, but they are so cooling. They're like moisture wicking, like I said, an activewear material, so they are super breezy. You're not gonna get hot in them. I actually already have these in tan, which is why I immediately took the tag off. I love these shorts, and I thought having them in black would be so nice for just different outfit options, but they're high-waisted. Again, they have belt loops, which I think is a really nice feature feature. They also have elastic all through the back, and then the front has a really clean cut panel, but they fit really well. They also are a really great length, but my favorite part is definitely the fact that they are an activewear material, so they are perfect for the summer. The next piece is this ribbed tank, and I actually have a long sleeve top from Vuori in this same material. It's really soft ribbed knit, but I love the neckline on this and the actual cut of the tank. I can wear it with my normal bra, which guys is honestly like a huge deal to me when you can wear a top with your bra and you don't have to figure out a different situation for that. So this was an automatic keeper to me. I really love the color, the buttons, and the fit. Next up are another pair of shorts, and I was so excited for these because I actually have them in green. It's what I was wearing at the beginning of this video and what I have on right now. They are super high-waisted. They have this really thick elastic band, which I love, and they're just super breezy, very flowy, very cooling, so perfect if you live somewhere where it's super hot and humid. I absolutely love the green pair that I have, so I really wanted to get them in this cream. I was hesitant for a while, honestly, if they were see-through. I was kind of like back and forth. I couldn't tell. So I actually did end up going back inside our house and asking Jason if he thought they were see-through, and he said I was good. I just wanted to note that if you do not wear them with nude underwear, you will probably be able to see it. I have them on with a pair of nude underwear and I feel like they're fine. I just think they're such a good pair of shorts. Again, these are like perfect if you live somewhere where it's a billion degrees, and they're a really flattering cut as well. Next up is another tank. When I saw that they launched this on the Vuori site, I was so excited because I just feel like I already knew it was gonna look amazing on. It looked so good on the model online, and I honestly wish I would have gotten this in every color and just went ahead and done it because I love this tank, you guys. This is the perfect tank. You can wear it with any bra. It's this beautiful flattering neckline. It's the perfect length to wear. You don't have to tuck it in, but it works perfectly with any high-waisted bottom. The material, so soft, and I love the heathered texture on it. It is just like the perfect tank, and honestly I'm probably gonna get it in another color because it would be great for wearing with the tailored shorts that I showed you guys, throwing it on with a pair of leggings over a sports bra. I feel like you could wear this on walks, running errands. You could even dress it up with a really cute jacket in the fall. Like, it is just a good tank. And then the last piece that I got is one of my favorite workout tanks. I actually have this in another color and I wear it all the time because of the length. I think this is the perfect length tank for leggings or high-waisted shorts, and it has a built-in bra with it with padding. I love this deep blue color. I actually have the leggings and I didn't have the tank. I had a matching sports bra, but I really wanted the tank because I find that I actually end up wearing tanks way more than just sports bras when I work out. So I am so excited to have another one of these. I really like the neckline as well, and I feel like there's really good coverage in the top, so I even run in this and I feel great in it. So just one of those pieces that I wanted another color. But those are all the pieces from this video. Like I said, everything will be linked down below in the description box, along with all of the accessories that I showed you guys. If you liked it though, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new here and you want to stick around for some more videos. I would love to have you back on my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one really soon. Bye guys.